You can go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
So I ride the rides for you? You can go see Olivia?
Yeah, me.
Who?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
Minnie Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Like the Anaheim, so we just rather go up, and then...
Okay. And then... Disneyland. You make some seat for the...
Hey!
Huh?
No? Yeah.
Cheese. She's saying cheese.
Peekaboo.
Mommy says nothing. Look at that mountain.
Hey!
Lovely Lake Elsinore.
Around.
No, I'm not going to turn it around.
Why?
Because. Alright, goodbye. Yes, cool. Isabel! We're here. Comes the horse. Where are we? Boss says I walk fast. She's like looking through here. What's that? Uh-huh. Isabel. Mommy. What, Izzy? Oh. Olivia. Good girl. Where are we? Where are we? At Disneyland? Yeah. Mommy and Elizabeth are riding Thunder Mountain. Hope they went on the right line. What'd you go on? What'd you just come off of?
Thunder Mountain?
And how was it?
It was fun!
It was?
Yeah?
Mommy said you put your head down.
I know.
Are you scared?
No, I didn't. Today they bouncing.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Mommy wants to run over Daddy.
I want to go out and win that
Here's
one.
Mommy.
What?
No. Go to Cinderella's house now. I guess. Go to Thunder Ranch.
Where's my drink?
On the bottom there. Wait. All these pictures of Disneyland through the years. Until you just keep getting on better looking.
What?
You just keep getting better looking.
Oh, that's right.
Daddy, I like this ride.
You haven't been on it yet.
You didn't like it.
There goes Dumbo.
You didn't like it.
What?
You didn't like it, Daddy.
There's the train.
Goes round and round.
We're running one train. We gotta wait for it. Oh yeah? What's going on in Olivia's mind? What's she see?
I like the demo, Daddy. And I'm gonna ride on it.
We'll see.
I know it's hard. I know it's hard.
Yeah, I guess so. Olivia! Here comes the train. Oh, is that Aladdin's house? Olivia. Like her mom checking out everybody. Just staring at them. Up and down. Check them out. What they're wearing. Just like them. You ready to ride? Are you ready to ride, Olivia?
Every time it's fun, a little whistle sound. Everybody hurries to the circus.
On the train, Olivia?
Time for lemonade and cracker jack. Casey June is back. Casey June is back. Every time it's fun, a little whistle sound.
Olivia, you having fun? Fun. Slow down for Olivia. Okay. You're still mugging for you. You're such a ham. What do you like, dude? Recording all that time. Who knows what I got? I got the ground. I swore I turned it off. What's that, Izzy? Isabel. Isabel, of course, has to watch herself in the mirror. Isabel, you don't have to look at yourself in the mirror. She can't help it. Isabel just has to watch herself in the mirror, don't you? Pinocchio ride, short line, might as well go on it. Just feeling alive. It's gonna save the time.
Hugs are welcome for Mickey Mouse. Happy birthday over there. And come on in.
Shoot, yo. Come on, that's Come on in, guys.
Here's Mickey Mouse. Go, Olivia.
Right down.
Oh my goodness.
Right down.
Look who's there. You say hi to Mickey?
You guys go a little further.
You waited to see Mickey, huh? Give Mickey a kiss goodbye. Give him a kiss, Livy.
They are. And look right up here, sweeties.
Turn around. Turn around. Look at.
Right up here, girl. Smile, cheese.
Look up there, Olivia. Say cheese. Say thank you.
Okay, come on, guys.
And if you'd like to, you can see that picture after 2 hours at the Main Street cameras.
Okay, thank you.
Say goodbye to Mickey.
Goodbye. Come on, Livy.
Come on, Olivia. Yeah, good. I saw the back of her head. Who'd you see, Olivia?
Mickey Mouse.